Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Parlier local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best expert long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot simpler. Selecting our team to assist you means your cross-country move will go efficiently. Relocating isn't very easy, but using the best moving services can definitely make it so much easier. Working with us means you receive access to all of the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. When you examine the primary advantages you get, the expense can be a lot easier to manage. The time savings you gain may make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. It will also keep you from having to deal with the heavy lifting. Our team of professional movers are going to ensure your move is really efficient. Moving day becomes simpler with 3Movers due to the fact that we streamline your whole entire move. A move that may take you all weekend to perform, we can handle in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Parlier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.